In today's video, I will provide you with instructions on how to effectively remove the browser hijacker that is called Smart Search Results. The website that is related to it is smartsearchresults.com. This website is a browser hijacker, so when you start submitting some search queries, you may soon notice that the results are delivered by some other search engines that are not chosen by the customer initially. Intrusion of this hijacker into the browser is the result of people downloading and installing some free software that can be bundled by default with this browser hijacker. The hijacker may be related to some unwanted browser extension, or it may work through certain program enabled in the computer. So to remove it, we recommend you to first of all check the control panel, uninstall any programs if you find anything suspicious. Secondly, considering deleting the list of unwanted browser extension, you should access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. You'll find the list of extensions, and if you locate any suspicious items, get rid of them. Finally, I recommend that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page, the official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then begin investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.